Hi guys, how are you? Hope you are doing well. Welcome to my channel, Agriculture Makes Strong.
Today, let us discuss the important topic parts of a flower, where flower is the reproductive part of a plant, where flower is an important to a plant because it helps in attracting production of nectar and pollination. Where coming to the parts of a flower, we come across petals and the filament, receptacle, sepals, ovary, ovules, pollen tube, style, and stigma. Coming to the petals. Petals are the bright colored structures which are present in a flower, and they just lie above the sepals. They are often bright in color as their main function is to attract the pollinators such as insects, butterflies, etc. to the flower. The petals are collectively known as corolla. And coming to the sepals, these are the small leaf-like parts growing at the base of the petals, and they form outermost wall of the flower. Collectively, sepals are known as calyx. The main function of the calyx and its sepals is to protect the flower before the bud stage starts. Coming to the stamen, where stamens are the male parts of a flower. Many stamens are collectively known as androecium. They are structurally divided into two parts. One is filament and another one is anther. Anther. It is the head of the stamen and is responsible for producing the pollen which is transferred to the pistil or female parts of the same or another flower to bring about fertilization. Coming to the filament. It is the part that is long, slender and attached to the anther, to the flower. Coming to the pistil. Pistil, this forms the female parts of a flower. A collection of pistil is called gynoecium, where the style, stigma, and ovary. Coming to the style, it is long, slender stalk that holds the stigma. Once the pollen reaches the stigma, the style starts to become hollow and form a tube called pollen tube, which takes the pollen to the ovaries to enable fertilization. Coming to the stigma. Stigma, this is found at the tip of the style. It forms the head of the pistil. The stigma contains a sticky substance whose job is to catch pollen grains from different pollinators or those dispersed through wind, and they are responsible to begin the process of fertilization. Coming to the ovary. Ovary, they form the base of the pistil. The ovary holds the ovule. Coming to the ovules, these are the egg cells of a flower. They are contained in the ovary. In the event of a favorable pollination where compatible pollen reaches the stigma and eventually reaches the ovary to fuse with the ovules, this fertilized product forms the fruit, and the ovule becomes the seed of a fruit, where in the flower, the androecium is the male part of the flower. A collection of stamen is an androecium.
If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.